All right, what is going on, guys? It is Melch here, and I'm back with a new video. Guys, we made it to Indiana, starting a new journey. Just came back from Thailand, was in Houston for a little bit. Now we're out here in Indiana on a side quest, scaling a local business, partnering with a business owner to do some marketing and grow our agency as well, and also grow his business. So it's a really, really good opportunity. But guys, I just wanted to talk about how crazy and how fast the come up has been. The true OGs know. Y'all remember the videos in the old apartment. Y'all remember me just talking about how I was pretty much just going through it. I was pretty much just so dialed in on hitting my goals, so dialed in on locking the fuck in and just getting things done. I was grinding so hard in that apartment, late last year, beginning of this year. I was pretty much broke. Was trying a bunch of different things. I was investing my money into different things to make me more money, but nothing was working. Just failed business, failed investments. I was working at Panda Express, and then before I left Panda Express, I was pretty miserable. Late 2024, just at Panda Express in the back in the kitchen, sweating balls, closing the kitchen. This shit sucked ass, getting bitched at. And I knew I had to do bigger things. I knew there was something else different for me. And it sucked because it's like I had to keep working this full-time job until I find a better opportunity or until my business finally gets off the ground. So I had a lot of motivation to keep going and to keep pushing, even through the hard days of, leaving Panda Express, going to my apartment, very lonely, very pissed. But I still had that drive and that hunger to start something, start a business or work on my business all night. All right. And then like January rolls around, like November rolls around, I get a job at a sushi restaurant. That's when I leave Panda Express. I started making decent money at the sushi restaurant. It's the most I ever made from a job, as a server job. But towards the end of it, I just knew this is another thing I just didn't want to do. I didn't want to be at this restaurant. I knew fuck serving these people. Like, it's not my calling. That's not what I'm here to do. All right, I'm not here to be at this fucking restaurant, being a server, busting my ass for these people for some tips. Fuck all that. So once again, I couldn't leave that job until something worked out. Something finally worked out with my business, with my online business. And at that point, I had already started my web design agency and marketing agency. Well, it started off with just web design, right? So January, when I really, really obviously did a New Year's resolution to change my life, locked in with the business. And January I made a few $100, maybe $500 to $1,000. February jumped up to $2K, and then March I jumped up to $6K. So, and then February, that's when I quit my job, went full time with the website agency. I wasn't even really doing marketing at that time, just the website agency. And yeah, that's when I quit my job. That's when I finally felt free from the Matrix. I finally felt free from the slaving, and I could finally be my own boss, right? I was like, I knew I could make this happen. Quit the job the next day. As soon as I closed this, a website for $1,000, I still had rent. I still had to pay shit, but I had a little bit saved up, and I just went all in with the web design marketing agency. The next month, after I did 6K, then I did 8K, then 10K, then 12K, just kept going up and up. And then I just kept traveling. So I went to California, right? Went to LA, went to Puerto Rico, been in all around Texas. But then I went to Thailand, which is the craziest thing, guys. Beginning of this year and late last year, we had it on our vision board, our dream board, the picture of Thailand. On the beautiful blue water island with the big Buddha, the jungle. It was just there on the dream board. We just said we were gonna make it to Thailand, even if it didn't look clear, even if things were looking rough, right? Even when we didn't have that much in the bank account, so we still had hope. To where the July came around, or whenever July after that month, before, I don't even know. We went to Thailand for 30 days, right? Packed our bags and we left. Went to Thailand for 30 days. That was also another life-changing experience. Big investment, but it definitely paid off. A lot of new followers, a lot of new a lot of new advancements in our marketing agency. Was able to record a full 2-week course and launch my first info product, my first mentorship. So a lot happened while I was in Thailand. I was working a lot late nights, guys. I wasn't partying over there. I was just dead ass grinding and enjoying the nice, beautiful restaurants, fresh coconuts, enjoying the beach, enjoying the moped rides through the mountains, through the jungles. It was beautiful. It was very, very beautiful. Definitely see myself going back for sure. But yeah, boys. Now, fast forward. August just passed up. Had a pretty good month in August. Now it's September. Guys, I'm just making this video just to let you guys know the come up is real. You know what I'm saying? The come up can happen very fast. If you dead ass grind for 8 months, 8 months consistently, and you will have something. You will be past 10K per month, I guarantee you. If you're grinding for 8 months and you're making progress, right? Hey guys, I'm in a new apartment. It's my second apartment I've ever had. I'm now 21 years old. It's funny because I have zero furniture, zero anything. We have nothing in this apartment. We just got some fucking fat ass DoorDash. And now we're just busting work. I'm doing work in the living room. Just thought I'd quickly make this video, guys. For the people that have just been watching the journey, for people who are just tuning in, like, it's crazy. Y'all literally saw the videos of me in my old apartment. Like, I sounded like just lost. I just sounded distraught. I just sounded distressed. I just sounded lonely and like tired of whatever was going on. Oh my God, I just want to get through this moment. I just want to get out of this. I just want to get out of this situation. I need to make something happen. I need to make a change. That's exactly how I felt in those old YouTube videos I was making. Right? Nothing had popped off at that point. You know, none of my business models had popped off. I was just hoping and I was just trying, hoping and trying. Even if I lost money, even if I was moving on to the next business model, it didn't matter. Like, until I found that winning thing that was, you know, best for me, I could have gave up so many different times, bro. I deadass could have gave up so many times. I could have gave up 10 times, bro. I could have not been here right now. I could have been in school. I could have been in a 9 to 5. I could have been trying to get promoted. I could have, you know, been depressed in my room, continuously using drugs, getting high, avoiding my problems, avoiding reality, just lonely, loser in my room. I could have been me, right? That happened to me a few times, guys, throughout my journey to get to where I'm at. And, you know, even after all the bullshit, even after just being lonely, breaking up with girlfriends, going on, like breaking up with girlfriends that you love and you care about and are going really good connection, breaking up with them solely because they deserve to have someone to give them for their full attention. I straight up tell them that. And, you know, I love them, but I need to focus on my business. I can't really have the worry about a girlfriend, the worry about a loved one, taking care of someone else when I literally just have to devote my entire life and day to my businesses. I'm doing like 4 different things right now, guys. You know, people say, oh, just focus on one thing. Guys, I'm a new entrepreneur. I'm a new business owner. More opportunities, the better. The more my network expands, the more skills I learn, the more experience I have. Fuck it. We're doing 4 different businesses right now. The stress is at an all-time high, guys. Pressure is at an all-time high. And it's been super hectic because we were living at hotels, living at Airbnbs. But obviously now we just got our apartment finally. So hopefully things can settle down and get more centralized. But yeah, guys, really why I just came on here to say, if I wanted to talk to someone who was at zero, who maybe has $1,000 in their name, who has a little bit saved up, or who's been trying different things or working a job and kind of questioning, like, what am I doing? Is it possible to do something else? Is it possible to be successful with my own business or my own online business? Listen, bro. I really think there's only one way you're going to make it. Genuinely. In this life, I think there's only one way you genuinely make it. You have to just completely devote yourself. Devote yourself to the business. Devote yourself to growing. So whatever your goal is, devote yourself. If you're not 1,000% devoted, you're not going to make it. Never give up. Keep learning, keep finding opportunities, keep networking. Meet new people. Don't be scared, don't be shy. You need to meet new people. You have to, not just virtually, in person as well. You'd be surprised how many people you can meet in different industries, different connections, wealthy people, etc., different business owners. So definitely network. God, I just gotta thank God as well. The reason why I'm here. Super just blessed, straight up. Super just, He's gave me everything I've ever needed since I was born. He's provided. God has never failed me. He's watching me as I'm climbing these ranks, as I'm going to the next journey, going to the next path in my life and in business, and just be as a person. And it's only because of him, bro. So don't forget that. Thank you, God. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a different type of video. If you made it to this far, if you made it this far to the end of this video, DM me. If you made it this far into the video, DM me, Melch. I made it this far to the end of the video. If you DM me that, I'm getting thousands of DMs. But if you DM me that, yo, I fuck with you. I'll follow you back, bro. Let's lock in. Shout out to everyone who truly fucks with me. I fuck with all of y'all. Hope y'all are successful. Like, comment, and subscribe. A lot of free videos and courses on my YouTube channel that you can learn how to make money online with AI and digital marketing. Catch y'all on the next one.